Ate,
Meron ba?
Yeah, papasok.
meron.
Like actually?
Yeah, like actually.
They need to suspend, bro.
Let me see how strong.
Tanggalin tong update log. Make Sarah happy. Sus, gusto mo lang na Robux eh.
Ay. Kay Cavite na nga lang ako. I need to read this properly later.
Ika, chapter 1. Ano ba si Aaron?
Dito.
Okay. Where do you go? Where?
Hello.
Saan?
Hello?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Do we use mics?
That's good.
Let's play mics. Do we play
Thank
with
Let's play
you.
mics. Okay, let's meet in Discord.
mics?
Okay, fine.
Okay, hello, hello. Mic test, mic test. Hello, mic test, mic test.
Can
Okay
you
ba?
hear me?
I hear you, I hear you.
Hello?
Can you hear
Yeah, I
me?
can
Can you
hear
hear
you.
me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, yes.
Yes.
Are you recording, Aaron?
Oo.
Tell me you're recording, Aaron.
What
Are you
happened?
recording?
Oo. Ate, oo. Hello? Hindi ba ano?
Aaron is lagging again.
Let's
Hello?
go in.
Hello?
Let's go in, let's go in, let's go in.
Hello?
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 Okay ba? O
Hello?
hindi?
I can hear you.
Okay.
And stay out. Stay out. Stay out. Stay out.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Why does it echo?
Help!
What is going on?
Help
Where
me!
are
Need
you?
help!
I need to
Help
find her.
me!
I need to
Help
find the
me!
person who did it and why they did it.
Help! Help me, please!
Or is it really a
Uh,
person or a
Oh my god.
monster
made by
made by
one
one
developer.
developer?
Mother. Ay, chapter.
Chapter 1, Epilepsy
Help!
Warning.
Help!
Okay, we're
I,
here. Where's Aaron?
oh, why is he standing there?
Standing menacingly.
Aaron?
Dead
He's not
Masopashers ng
speaking
Cavite
again.
din.
He's non-verbal.
Non-verbal communication is not it, girl.
Ate, nag-off yung mic.
Aaron, are you
Hello?
lagging?
Hello, hello. Nag-off yung mic ko automatically.
Mother.
What the heck? Is it okay now?
Automatic. Hello?
Okay,
Where
let's
are
go.
we?
Kumakanta pa naman ako ng OMG, di nyo tuloy narinig. Ang
Help!
ganda-ganda.
Help!
What are
What
we
the?
finding? We're finding our mother.
Hey
I need to find
mom,
an axe.
you're
Where
a
is the axe?
rockstar. Aray ko yung puta may...
And draw out the house instead, my mom. Oh, I have it. Who has it?
It's gone. I don't have it anymore.
Come. Come here. Come here, everybody. Come here. Let's break it.
Oh no, the only problem with this is if I'm not within your proximity, Okay, let's get in.
What the fuck?
Oh, he's here.
What the fuck? I was like, wait, guys. I. Ate, you can't curse. I forgot. Ate, there's a got it. How do I free my mouse? I can't free my. Ayan, I can't. Like, ayan na. Okay na. Okay na. Guys, I'm speaking on Discord because I got banned, so it's okay. You guys continue with your. I got banned for 13 minutes. Ate, I can't hear you guys pala. Oh my gosh, because I got banned. No! What the fuck? What the fuck?
What happened to
What the
band?
fuck is
that
happening? What have I found? Guys! I'm having
What?
epilepsy!
Huh?
Aaron,
Ate had a
You're
cutscene.
okay.
Nagka-cut.
what?
I had a cutscene, ate.
Let's go, let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Where are we going today? Wait, didn't we play this?
No, we haven't.
I'm kicking the door, nothing's working. I hate this life. This life is so tragic. I don't wanna live this life anymore.
Puta!
Oh,
Oh, okay,
YOLO.
let's go.
Ay, ate. There's nothing here.
What?
there's absolutely nothing. Wait,
Where's
there.
Aaron? Why
Ay,
is he like
ate, why am
flying?
I lucky?
Aaron, what's happening?
Find a key and get out. You are not. You're
You
not
are
what?
not alone.
You're not what?
I
You
am
just said you're
here
not.
with you.
You're not
Though you're
Suko, Uishi,
far
are the Shrew.
away,
Wait,
I am here to stay. Yun ba yun? Tama ba yung lyrics ko?
You're not alone. Yung alone mo na sa anime.
When, can you feel? Ay, guys, you said it again, my heart's in motion.
and
Every
everywhere.
word feels
It's
like
like
a
a
shooting
Ah,
star. I'm
I'm
at
at the
the edge
edge
of
of
my
my emotion,
emotions. But
watching
in
the
the
shadows
shadows burning
burning in the
in
in the
the dark.
dark,
dark. And
In the
I
I am terrified.
Ate, ang bilis
I
mo,
am.
JM.
I
Ay!
am
Ate, nakita ko yung
terrified.
entity! Puto!
I wanna go in my heart.
For the
Emotion,
first time.
she is caught.
And the last time in the hole. In my
Oh my gosh!
own
Oh my gosh!
lee
Aaron!
Wait, why are you running faster than
life.
I am?
Ooh. And
That's a
this
film.
How are you
could
running
be
so
good.
fast?
It's already
Okay.
better than that. Got
How is Yoro
nothing
running so
worse.
fast, bro?
But knowing you're holding back,
I'm
I
at
can
the
feel.
edge
Oh, Yoro,
of
mabilis mo.
my
What the fuck?
emotion.
Yoro, how are you running
I
that
gotta
fast?
die. Why is Yoro so
Ate, are
fast?
you flash?
I'm so confused.
You said it again,
And
my.
I am terrified. And why is Yoro so
Ate, can we
fast?
do karaoke someday?
I think she's not even chasing us.
Ate, she's chasing me. Ay, ba't ang bilis? Bakit merong cutscene? Tapos, nanap ni Yorom yung tamang way.
Ate, there's something here.
Ate, she's chasing us. Ang bagal niya lang.
Ate, ang bagal niya sobra.
Say
Pucha, no.
it again, my
My
heart.
heart is broken. Uy, malaga.
Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm on the edge of my emotion.
Watching the shadows burning in the
In the
dark.
dark. And
Uh,
why are you so fast?
Guys, I found a way, guys. Oh,
Oh, shit.
absolutely not. What are we
Oh
supposed
shit,
to
oh
do?
shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
What are we
Oh
supposed to
shit,
do,
oh
guys?
shit.
What are we supposed to do? Find
I
the
found
key.
it.
I
I
don't
found it.
see
I
anything
found it.
about you're not. You're not what?
You are
Where do I put
not
the
alone.
key?
I feel like
I
we're...
have a key.
Ay,
I.
Oh.
Oh.
ay. I
Uh,
am here
Why
with
is Karong
you.
so fast?
Though
Oh.
you're far.
you can sprint.
We're sprinting, but not as fast as you.
Ate, ang bilis mo.
Not really.
She's gone, she's gone. Let's go.
Kimo, I'm gonna slam you.
Ate, kaya nga ako tumaas ulit kasi kala ko nakita niyo siya kaya nga ako tumaas eh.
Kimo, I swear. I swear.
I'm on the edge of my emotions. Find the key to get out. You're not.
I already
Ah!
found the key. Guys, it's just camping us.
I'm on the edge of my emotions.
Uh, guys, every word is. It's gone.
Wait, my mouse isn't working.
Oh, now I'm not fast anymore.
You are. Hello. You're literally teleporting in our.
It's camping us. We can't.
Aaron just hide us. Let's go. She's not there anymore.
She keeps coming back.
Aaron, come. Aaron.
Ito na po ate.
Yucha.
In the dark. in the-
Why is Yorong so fast?
Ate, ba't ang bilis mo? I swear you're glitched out, bro.
Yorong?
Oh my gosh, the entity is right there. Oh my.
Steady
Oh my.
dancing
Wala.
my heart.
She's not coming for some reason.
Ate, where's the
He's-
way out?
I aggroed him. I aggroed him.
Where's the way out?
Okay, she's not there. Let's get out. Let's get out.
Ate, where's the way out? Ate,
my
where's
gosh!
the way out?
I'm aggroing him.
Everywhere it feels like a shooting star.
Andito lang siya. Don't worry, guys.
Ano ba magandang ano?
Wait,
Taylor Swift
did Aaron
naman,
get
Taylor
out?
Swift. Ate, I can't. I'm trying to find the way din eh.
Okay, Yorong, get out now. He's not there. She's not there.
Anong magandang kanta?
They
Taylor
got
Swift
me
na
out
lang.
again.
Our song.
No, she's really not there. Our song is
a
slamming
slamming
it.
door, sneaking alley, tapping on your window. When we're on your phone,
Find a key to get out. You're not. Suko Ishi.
and your mama don't know. Our song is the way you left.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die, bro. I'm gonna die. I'm
The
gonna.
first date, man, I didn't kiss her and I should have. And when I got home, for I said amen, asking God if he playing the king. Ang pangit ng boses ko, pero okay lang.
I can't find everything, bro.
I was riding on the front porch. Tama ba? After everything that day, I got all wrong, I get trampled on, and I lost and thrown away. Got to the hallway, well on my way
Ito
to
na
my
nakalagay.
happy bed.
I think I saw
Oh,
someone.
notice all the roses
That's
and a
me.
note that says our song is as lame as screen doors, sneaking alley, tapping on your window. When we're
Oh
on
my
the
god.
phone,
You
it's a
know,
soft
oh my god.
real slow
Own me, it's on me,
conversation
it's
your
on me.
mama don't know. Our song is the way you live. Ah, wait lang ah.
What the hell
The
is the
first date,
exit,
man, I
bro?
didn't kiss her and I should have.
It's on me, guys. It's
And
on
then,
me.
ate, it's on me din.
Where's the exit?
Ate, I just
I
went
think I see it.
around. Nakakainis. I just
I
went
think I
on a
see it. I
circle.
think I see it.
Go in, please.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
How did you see it? I
I'm
didn't.
opening the door.
I
I need the
didn't.
key. I
I
don't have the
didn't.
key.
God damn it, I didn't.
I
Si
have the
Natsuko, si Flash. Papuntahin mo dyan.
Yorum, I need you.
Wait, guide me.
Our song is a slave screen doors. Nasa gitna
I'm
ba yan,
trying to.
JM?
No, I like went at the back and then there's like a loop. I thought I to come on.
Gosh, I'm like really fast.
I think it's kind of near the middle.
Guess you just found a dead end.
It's like a very long hallway.
Ayun, JM, I see you.
Yeah, it's there. You literally walk past it.
Ay, ba?
Me?
No. What the fuck? Where?
He's behind me. He was behind me. Yeah.
Where?
Ayun, ate, nasa harap mo. Ate, where's the way out? JM.
Ate, she's by it. It's literally where she
I
is. Oh
think
my
that's
god.
just turn around. That's ano, that's square.
I think I saw
Where?
someone.
And a road that says... Ayun,
Oh,
Natsuko. Come here daw. And then... Ay, ate. Ate! Tara. Come here, follow me, follow me. Ate, follow me! Ay, ate, naglalag ka. Ay, ako naglalag. Go right, go right, go right, go right. Here. Okay. And then go straight. Straight. Follow JM. Follow JM. Dalag.
Don't look behind you guys. Faster, faster. Go here, go here, go here. Ate, she's coming.
where?
Ate, there.
Ate,
Unlock the
use the
door.
key, use the key. You have a flashlight
Ada,
now.
don't go inside me.
What? What is that?
What am I gonna do with this infant?
Get out of the house. Of this one.
That
Ayun,
must
ate
have
nag-lock.
been hard.
Wow, that game was something.
Well, you found her in the basement. What was that creature chasing me? I need to find it and explore the basement one more time. This is chapter 2.
Chapter 2 yun?
What is done?
That was not. That was not.
No, this is chapter 2. We're gonna play.
Guys. Sige. Might as well. And a note that
I'm like
says
away.
our song is a slim screen. Ano ba? Um, uh, what song?
Our song is the skin. Let's hear it.
Um,
Oh.
every day, every day.
Hello?
La 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 la. Every day. Eh. La la la
La la
la
la
la.
la 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 la.
La. Every day.
What?
What the hell happened to here?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's
Guys,
Pokemon.
drive the car.
Driving the car. Making my way downtown. Walking fast. And I
This
need
game
you.
is the best game ever.
And I miss you.
I
And
don't
now
understand what's
I
going on.
wonder if I could into dusk.
What?
Why are we just teleporting everywhere?
Passing by.
What
Oh my
happened?
gosh.
No,
This is the worst developed
wanna
game ever.
Yo, ate, you don't know that? Maybe they're just a kid playing,
Why
doing
is that house flying?
if I
I
could
could
just
make this better in
see
Blender. Why?
you
Why is this just a what? What?
tonight. If I could just
Where did you guys go?
Ouch! What happened?
Did you guys die?
yes, I feel
Where
like you have to
am I?
die. Wait lang ah.
What was that void? Was that meant to happen? Oh my god, this is the worst game ever.
Where are you guys?
We went to the void. We
Where
fell
are
to
you
the
now?
Ate,
void.
you have to die.
We're inside the.
What the fuck? I told you, it's good game. I like it.
Yeah, because you like bad games, Aaron.
Ate, seeing Justin make a game, it's really hard. So, I don't know. I just appreciate it.
Ouch!
So, I
What
appreciate the
happened?
effort that they did. Especially they're doing it alone. Or, even if they're a team.
Oh, sige, sorry na. Kami na mali, Aaron. Sorry na.
Ate
Grabe.
naman, it's just.
Sorry na. Sorry na.
Hi. Our song. Ay, hindi. Puro our song eh. Thank you. Next, next. Thank you. Next, next. Thank you. Next. I'm so
Parang,
fucking
parang,
good.
parang
Oh!
sa ito.
Oh,
Ate,
we
wala
completed
pa nga ako
chapter
makita nga.
2.
Hindi pa nga ako nakapagpunta sa bahay.
Natapos ko na guys.
Natapos na namin.
Ate, hindi pa nga ako nakakapunta dyan.
This is the
Ate, you had to
worst
like
game
die.
ever.
Dun sa void.
Sabi ko
Ate,
maghahanap
that's
ako.
so funny. I
Hey,
can't.
did you hear it? Nice game, man.
Did
That was,
you
that was nice.
hear
That was nice. It was funny nice.
it?